What's going on, everybody? This is Travis, and this is your Forex Traders tip for today. And this is one of those where everyone has already done ahead, but you just not had it for Forex trading. That's a aha moment. Now, once I end up, like I ended up saying before, everyone's had a aha moment, but you probably may have had it in sports. You probably may have had it in education. You probably may have had it in something else. And that's when the light bulb basically ends up clicking in, and everything that you've learned previously finally ends up meshing with all of the new stuff that you end up learning, allowing you to be able to understand stuff very quickly. And it makes it a little bit simpler for you to be able to do on an everyday basis. Now, that aha moment ended up happening for me almost 4 years into my overall trading career and being able to go from there. Before then, I really wasn't that profitable. The reason why was because I was trying to search for things that actually end up working for me, right? And being able to have that perfect blend of what I need to do from a manual trading perspective, what I need to do from a preparation, and being able to figure out what was going on with the charts and indicators and everything else like that. But once you end up figuring out what that is, and you can be able to see you have sustained success by being able to do that, then there's no reason to be able to deviate from being able to have that overall plan. And that's where my aha moment actually ended up coming in at, because once I ended up figuring out that I needed to do some preparation work before actually going into trading on Sunday, which means that I may need to take a little bit of time on Saturday to be able to take a look at the charts, and then on Sunday I can be able to have my ideas and have it automatically laid out on my screen about what I wanted to be able to do. And then it forced me to be able to follow my overall plan. And like what I ended up saying before, you want to make sure that you end up planning your trade first, and then after that, trading your overall plan. And once you end up having the work already done before you actually end up jumping into the charts, then it makes it easier to be able to follow what you was actually doing, because if you end up seeing success before, then after that, you can be able to know that your plan actually worked previously. This is what you end up doing previously on this pair. Now let's be able to use that same type of mindset. And if the market ends up doing the same thing for its overall movement, then you will end up being profitable because you had that sustained plan. Now, aha moments don't come until you actually end up putting the work in. You have to be able to put the work in first before the aha moment will end up coming. But once that happens, then after that, you'll be off and running, and you'll be sustained profitable trader. Now, if you like what I end up talking about today, please make sure that you end up liking, sharing, and subscribing to everything that we have going on for us, our social media. Please make sure that you end up clicking on some of the links below that end up helping you out with either our PC setups, with some of the information and books that we end up talking about to be able to help you out, and also mentorship and being able to hop in and being able to get that. I would love to be able to hear when you end up having your aha moment. Please make sure that you end up typing that into the comments below, because once again, everything that we're doing is be able to help everybody earn what they're actually learning for his overall trading. But until then, I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow for a new Forex Traders tip.